3 times na, no? So they've always been a partner, and we're very grateful that they opened their venue para maganap itong ating album launch and the concert launch. So yeah, very very excited kasi this is such a special and very personal project for Ice. Alam naman natin na si Ice, simula siguro nagkamuwang siya dito sa mundong ito, no? Since he was born at 3 years old, he's already been in the show business. And we've seen him transition not just as a person, his identity, but also as an artist, no? From being an actress, di ba? Child star, nakita natin siyang lumaki na mayroong ka-love team hanggang sa naging musician siya, and ngayon, you know, wearing many hats as a producer, as a director as well. So being Ice we had Becoming Ice actually in 2022, and that was more like the trajectory of his 35-year career in the show business. But yun nga, nung nakita natin siya as a persona, nakita natin siya, na-witness natin siya as an artist. But who is the real Ice? Especially being born in this industry at such a young age. How do you separate your personal life with your work life as an artist? So being Ice is that. It's a journey of discovery. It's a journey of being. It's a journey of discovering the human being behind the Ice Sigera or the Isa Sigera that we know as an artist. So that's why it's so personal for him, kasi habang nakikita natin siyang nagpe-perform ng duck walk at kung ano-anong mga kanta, ano kaya si Ice sa likod nito? And for the first time, siguro at this point in his life, mas naging bukas siya para i-share yung ganong klaseng vulnerability sa audience niya. Being Ice album is a representation of that. This is the first all-original album of Ice. Imagine, after 38 years in the industry, with all of these singer-songwriters venturing into their first participation dito sa ating industriya as singers, as performers, yun agad sila, singer-songwriter sila. Pero si Ice, he's been amazing at interpreting other people's songs. Actually, sometimes mas better pa, di ba? Yung version niya sa kanila, and that has always been something that he's taken pride of. But sharing his song and really bringing out yung mga innermost thoughts niya, his fears, his grief, his joy, yung mga gusto niyang i-share sa mga audience niya. Mawi-witness natin lahat yon sa Being Ice album. And I know that you're very excited kasi i-share niyo sa inyo yung iba sa mga kanta. So imagine, after Being Ice album, which is going to drop on August 8th, you get to experience it live on September 12 and 13. So Being Ice Live, the concert experience, is a 2-night experience of Ice. One as your favorite singer na makikikanta sa inyo, makiki-enjoy. It's his birthday. You sing it wrong, you sing it loud. It's okay because it's Ice's birthday. Masaya siya, bababa siya sa audience, at kakantahin niya ang mga paboritong kanta natin sa videoke. On the second night is a more emotional experience that he wants to share with everyone. This is him showing his vulnerable side. And yun nga, kung ano yung nakwento ko sa inyo kanina about the process kung paano niya ginawa yung Being Ice album, may experience natin yon live with Ice on the second night. So we call it Being Ice Live because this is what Ice is all about. The fun Ice, the Ice that will sing your favorite songs, that will perform your favorite songs, is also what Ice is to everyone. And of course, ngayon na he's gotten to this point in his life na he can embrace himself, not just the goodness about him, but also the things that he's scared to share. And I guess with the recent passing of Mommy Karing, mas lalong nagkaroon ng meaning itong Being Ice. Kasi for the first time in his life, he's untethered. Hindi na siya nakatay sa kahit anong image na gustong ibigay ng mga tao sa kanya or sa mga responsibilidad na kailangan niyang gawin sa buhay. So, I, as his wife, as his manager, as the producer of the show, is very, very excited because yung klase ng pagbubukas na ibibigay ni Ice para sa concert na to at yung binuhos niya para sa album na to ay, I guess, I would say a culmination of the 38 years that he's been in the business. So I hope na makasama namin kayo at mag-enjoy kayo sa paglabas ng album, and I hope that we can all be part of Ice's concert on September 12 and 13. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Para kaya pa ng mas malakas po, no? Woo! Ayun! Hello, Direct Ice! Good morning. Let's all greet our friends and family here.
Hi!
Hello, parang nakatulog yata sila sa sarap ng food. Ayan, hello, hello! There you go.
Hi, kumusta po kayong lahat? Hi guys. Thank you so much for being here. Ako nasa balon.
Ayan, papaangatin muna natin si Direct Ice sa balon. But yes,
So, habang
congratulations!
nag-ayo siya, ayan, ito kasi aming partner. So, this album is the first album na ilalabas ng Fire and Ice Music. This is our own label in partnership with Star Music. So, nandito si John and si Rox. Yan talagang mga partners in crime ni Ice to make sure na talagang hindi lang magiging special itong album na to, pero talagang something din talaga na ma-appreciate ng ating mga audience.
Hello po and welcome. Thank you so much po for joining us. And yes, Direct, congratulations once again sa Being Ice album.
Thank you.
Alright, so meron na po kaming few questions for you, Direct Ice. Alam kong madaming na-share si Miss Liza na magagandang stories, background behind Being Ice. But what does this album really mean to you po, Direct?
Wow. Kagaya sinabi ni Liza kanina, this is the first talaga na all-original album. It took me a while kasi I'm sure most of you know naman na mula bata ako hanggang ngayon, diba, parang being in this industry, masasabi ko na mas nanaig yung fear ko to fail. Because alam ko din na if I fail, like, okay, to put context, if I write my own songs, feeling ko naman I can write my own songs, but feeling ko nun, hindi ako na-encourage to do that and to go that route kasi may pressure sa akin na, oh, it has to be a hit. It has to be like this. And feeling ko, if hindi nag-hit yung isang kanta, at ako ang may sulat, delikado yung livelihood namin eh. And of course, ako yung breadwinner ng family. So, na-equate ko siyang gano'n. So for the longest time, hindi ako naging matapang to share my thoughts, to share what I'm really feeling. Kasi I was afraid to fail. I was afraid to make mistakes. Yeah.
Wow. It took you 38 years, Direct, no? And finally, masaya kami na nandito ka na lumalabas ka louder, prouder, and braver. So, congratulations, Direct. And after 10 years, Direct, 10 years since your last album.
Yeah.
So, bakit po ngayon lang po natin nailabas itong Being Ice?
Siguro kasi nga, alam mo yung ang daming, tagal mo nang iniisip, pero never nangyayari. And siguro yun, siguro kailangan ko rin na nasa tamang frame of mind ako, I had to mature. Kasi yun nga I think that's always the challenge when you release something na very personal. It's an all-original thing. Especially with my type of music, it's very quiet, di ba? Hindi siya yung uso ngayon, ika nga. But siguro yun, it took me 10 years or probably more to mature, to accept if things don't go my way, okay lang, I can always move forward. Kasi before, feeling ko na if I fail on something, katapusan na ng career ko eh. Hindi ko ma-attain yun, alam mo yun, hindi ko kakayanin yun eh. As in, before, takot ako noon na pag nasabihan na hindi maganda yung ginawa ko, oh my God, parang, pwedeng, after ito, wala na akong work. And for me kasi, yun nga eh, parang, ang tagal ko rin nilabanan yung, ano ba ako talaga? Artist ba ako talaga? Or what? Alam mo yun? Kasi, feeling ko talaga, unlike other artists na, di ba, you know, they write to express their feelings, di ba? They do all these things to express themselves. I don't know if you'd believe me, but it wasn't really like that for me. It was a job. Trabaho ko siya. Pero ngayon ko masasabi na I can own the word artist because parang finally I can own what I'm putting out there. I can own if I make mistakes. I can own failures. The way that I know I can also own success.
We love that. And I am sure